This video will cover installing Maack's Godot Game Template or Godot Menus Template version 0.8.0. Check the description for a link to the latest version. The easiest way to install these packages is from the Godot Asset Library. I keep them relatively up to date with the latest versions in GitHub. The Game Template can be installed in two ways. If you haven't started a project yet, in the Project Explorer, click on Asset Library Projects and search for MAAA. You should see the Game Template. Click on the name, then Download. In the next window, add a project name and select an install destination. Then click Install and Edit. This will open up the editor and load the opening scene. If you've already started a project, you can add the Game Template, Menus Template, or any of the components that make them up. This approach is more common, but it comes with a few additional steps. With the existing project open, click on the Asset Lib tab and then search for MAAA. You should see the suite of plugins available, but in this case, we'll pick the Game Template plugin. Click on the name, then Download. Make sure no files conflict with your project and click Install. The package will uncompress and then simultaneously say that it installed successfully while displaying several parse errors. Reload the project and all the errors should disappear. Now open up the project settings, open up the Plugins tab, and enable Maack's Game Template. You'll be presented with a dialog asking you whether you want to copy the template files over. It is recommended to pick Yes, and select your project's root folder in the next dialog window. You'll also be asked if you'd like to update the project's main scene. It is also recommended to pick Yes. You are now ready to edit scenes to your liking. If something appears to have gone wrong in the copying process, you can delete the copied examples and start again by going to Project, Tools, Copy Maack's Game Template Examples. You've now successfully installed the project, and I will cover getting started in another video. Thanks.